This is no Seamus Heaney moment where hope and history rhyme. It's more like good old Gilbert O'Sullivan, where nothing rhymes. In fact, what does come to mind is Chappell Roan, painting a picture what it's like in 5 years' time. And when you think about me all those years ago, you're standing face to face with "I told you so." You know, I hate to say it, but I told you so. It doesn't have to turn out that way, though, and if we work constructively, we might have better options. But we need to get moving on so many, many issues. Housing and homelessness, our health service, most recently the huge delays in the promised delivery of the hormone replacement therapy products, making our streets safer, introducing legislation to ensure real consequences for violent assaults, processing school building projects in rapidly growing areas, tackling overcrowded or non-existent trains and buses, dealing with an asylum system that's clearly not fit for purpose, similarly climate targets that have no roadmap, and we're facing billions of euro fines on our taxpayers. Equally, and equally important is the energy crisis. We need to be able to be self-sufficient in energy, but we're going to be facing massive, massive imports. And not to mention the Occupied Territories Bill. The list, Ceann Comhairle, is endless. So on a personal level, in the context of his long esteemed career, his integrity, and the nature of him being a man for substance, I wish Micheál Martin all the very best. But on the basis of this programme and its constituent parts, I cannot vote in conscience for this government, but I wish you all the best. Good luck, colleagues.
Thank you, Deputy.